In this video, you learn how to delete your Facebook page permanently. So let's get started. So right now we're on the Facebook page home screen. So what you're gonna do is go to the bottom right and click on your profile picture to go to your profile. Right now you're in the menu. So what you wanna do right now is go to the top and click on the little wheel in the top right. Here you go to settings and privacy. Right now you have to scroll down a little bit until you see the following. Access and control. In the little tab that says your information, you have to click to access and control. And right here you get the options to deactivate your page, unpublish your page, or delete your page. So we'll choose the bottom one and delete our page. Click on continue. So right here Facebook will ask you why you're deleting your Facebook page. You don't have to answer it. You can just click on continue in the bottom. Once you're in this screen, Facebook will give you the option to save your post or download your information. You can do this if you like to. After this, you can click on continue. So right here, you have to put in your password to permanently delete your Facebook page. So let's put in my password. Click on done. Click on continue again. So once you're in this screen, Facebook will give you a warning before permanently deleting your page. So you can just go to the bottom and click on delete page. So right now the Facebook page has been deleted. If you log in again within 30 days, you will be able to recover it. But if you don't do this, it will be permanently deleted within 30 days. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.